are going to open up Pokeballs and the Pokemon belt.
Off you go, son.
So let's continue. Can't you see here? I've already unboxed this one, like the normal one. I will open it, unboxing this one here either. There's 6 Pokeballs to collect, see, so Pikachu, either that one, and that one, and that one. So here's the Pokeball.
Ooh, ultra rare.
Here's the Pokemon.
Is that Eevee?
And we'll put that. Oh. And can't we see here? I'll put this one right next to Pikachu.
Beautiful.
And now we're unboxing this. I'll try and unbox it. Because this one might be a bit hard. So I might have to
Rip it.
So I might have to go like, rip it!
Oh, savage.
Rip it! Rip it! Rip it! Rip it! Rip it!
Sound like a little frog. Ribbit. Ribbit.
And I'm also not a frog. My dad is just making me laugh. So all the weird sounds just put it
Ribbit. Ribbit.
like that sound there.
Can you do it?
Listen to it.
Can you do it, Frogman?
I can do it, Dad. Stop being so stupid.
You nearly got it. You're almost there.
And just ignore that weird sound. That is actually like that.
Oh, yes. Hey, Pikachu. Hey, Eevee. He's having a bit of trouble opening the box. I think he got there.
He's from all that rubbish
Get rid of the rubbish.
over there. And then front. And
Oh, he's unwrapped that belt.
And this is the Ultra Rare Ball, and I do not know who this guy is.
I'll tell you now. Pass me that little piece of paper with the names on.
No, we do not. And here is and here is
He looks cool.
and here is other Ultra Ball, and here is the belt. Okay, wait.
Super cool.
Wait 1 second. Dad, they do not want to see my bed.
Come here. Let me just set this belt out. Stand up. Come here.
I want it to go on there.
Why?
Making a video first.
Okay.
Now, be about